If you want an on-trend garden, then missing out on these new plants is simply not an option. First off, we have the lavender. Botanical name, bit long, but hang with me, Lavandula Eladia Merlot. Well, would you believe it's the first variegated lavender available to us gardeners? Not only does it produce the beautiful lavender flowers, which attracts the bees and the butterflies to our gardens, but I love the variegated foliage, which means that when it's not in flower in my garden, it still has the beautifully vibrant, highly fragrant foliage all year round. Another new kid on the block is this beautiful Dianthus Passion series. They're available in scarlet, rose, and of course then the violet. They have beautiful double flowers, great for pots, also along the edges of garden beds. They're compact, tough perennials, and they're an absolute must. Next is the crown jewel of the 2023 Chelsea Flower Show, Agapanthus Blackjack, our very own indigenous, born and bred right here in South Africa. With its striking deep black buds that bloom into rich purple flowers, this low-maintenance perennial adds dramatic flair to any garden and container, thriving in both sun and even semi-shade. And mangroves, well, the succulent sensation sweeping across South Africa, with popular varieties like Pineapple Express, known for its spiky blue-green leaves, Black Magic with its heavily spotted leaves. These hybrids combine the best traits of an agave and a manfreda, boasting colourful architectural foliage, plus they're drought-tolerant and perfect for busy gardeners. Finally, long-blooming petunias complete the trendy hybrid quartet. Night Sky dazzles with starry, deep purple petals, while Circus Sky wows with bright pink splashes. Petunias Sunray Pink is also a really noteworthy contender. Don't miss out on these trendy new plants. Find them at your local GCA garden centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find a GCA garden centre near you.